Hi friends and very good evening and namaste to all. If we notice market, it is very volatile. One, uh, two. If we see most of the stocks are in different trends. When we see Reliance here, it has been constantly going upside. Whereas when we see HDFC Bank, it has been going down very bad way. If you see, even though it tends to what do you say recover, even though it tends to recover after this fall, it makes a high. It hits 1483, 1463, and 450 or 40, and tends to move down. We're holding in fact shorts. We're waiting to for this reversal to come. We possibly can we what we also feel is possibilities are there very strong that it may come up to 1330 levels also. So what we plan to do is while we are uh, adding equity stocks, we shall hold our short positions and look to roll over even the coming months, or maybe we go long post this move here. When we look at Reliance, it has been going very strong. There is no doubt that the trend is bullish, and it is possibly hitting, what we can say, though possibly it is moving, in a very slow uh, range as of now, if we see, but the trend is upside. So tomorrow is the Fin Nifty expiry. Let us see how we can trade Fin Nifty tomorrow. Uh, what I can see is if tomorrow Fin Nifty tends to open at these levels, then I may think of going for short. However, if price opens normally, we will look for proper price action and the algo trades and then decide whether to go short or long. But what we can see is that there's a huge possibilities that mid cap Nifty may come hit test this levels of 10,840 uh, and then start moving upwards. So we will see how it works and then shall trade accordingly. Definitely there will be opportunities for zero trades, uh, and but all based on price action and algo trades we shall decide. What we can also say is if we look at the weekly candles in mid cap, let me just this is a weekly. Though the last week, it made a doji in this coming week. In this last week, it made a big red candle and then closed than the uh, previous. I can't say previous low because previous week's low, but then it is closed a slightly lower. However, it may, as we said, we are expecting it to retest these levels and then start moving up. So we shall look at how it behaves and then trade accordingly. Bank Nifty, we expect this possibly to make a kind of a M pattern, we can say, or if there is a possibility that it may retest these levels of 146 800 and then move long. We shall be possibly only bearish or huge bearish moves post below this 46,682, and targets could be around 46,059 levels or so. Uh, so we are not speculating that these uh, it will move down, but then we are sharing these levels. We will look, as I said, always look at price action and decide accordingly. But however, this is what is the structure or the movement possibilities look like. Uh, let us look at few of the stocks which looks good for possible what you can say as swing trades. What I can see is IDFC first looks good to be added. We'll wait for the retracement up to 80 to 70 for 6 levels and then add more positions for targets of 100 plus. When it comes to Manappuram, the if you see the weekly trend has been slowly been moving up, so we expect this down move towards 166, 170 levels where we should add and go for longs for targets of 220 to 30 plus. India Cement also looks to be on the upper upside. What we shall do is we shall possibly uh, look to add positions maybe here at 200 for targets of 330 plus. Uh, AVFRL, I'm looking at intraday 230 call about 10.5. I'm looking at targets of 1213 plus. Superjit also, if we see, it has been trading, though it's slightly bullish, it has been trading in this range. It made a nice high here up to 430, 440 levels. What we are looking to is we shall possibly look to add this with with strong stop loss of what you can say 400, and then we'll exit and we once it test this level of threes 380, then we shall again add go longs for targets of 480 plus. Rajesh Expo looks like a very what you can say like a hero zero trade. The one may look to add this present levels at 300 to 290 with and then with strong stop loss of 277 for targets of 700 1000 plus. ITC, I'm looking to add this. I'm also looking at the intraday trade of 410 call 11.4 above. I shall add for targets of 13 plus. This is the pattern which looks like to be creating. So we shall watch and then trade accordingly. Whether I'm looking at intraday 270 call above 14.4, I will look at targets of 15 plus and I'm also looking at Zeal 160 call about 12. I'm looking at target of 13, 14 plus. Uh, we're also looking at BEL 205 call about 10.6. We will enter for targets of 12 plus. ABFRL also looks positive for intraday. 230 call about 10.5. We will look for targets of 12, 13, stop loss of 9.5. So I hope this channel has been helpful. We shall make this more informative with like the way short-term picks. I'm also looking for add SpiceJet within a year from 25 levels. It has hit up to I think 78. If price sustains above 57, then I might 57 to 52. Uh, I shall add this stock for targets of 100 plus. Suslon might be range bound. I expect this to hit around 39, 38, 36 levels before it hits the high of 60 plus. We are also looking at Wedel whether I think we are also looking at what you can say a swing trade. If price stays about 285 to 90, then we look at target of 360 plus. So we are also looking at HAL. We're looking at Apollo Tires for tomorrow intraday and other stocks. So thank you all. Thank you for your time. I hope you have a profitable